Hello guys. Today I'm gonna teach you how to get a lot of money in Animal Company. It's easy. You just need a blue backpack for more stuff, a pickaxe, and 2 fireworks. Okay, let's go. So first you need 2 fireworks. Then you go here where I'm going, next to forest. Next to the sign of do not danger. Now you need to squeeze yourself under this, and then you need to go in that direction, not over there, in that direction. And you go at the end. Maybe I won't make it this time. Okay. Now I'm stuck. Now you need to go down here. Go down here. Get it. Grab the pickaxe. Hold it. Now you need to run up there. You're not gonna die. But instead you need to run up here. Go under here and double wall up. Sometimes there's ores over there. And then you can mine the ores. But at least they're still there. Frick. I fell. Okay. Then you go up the stairs with your pickaxe. I'm not very good at these stairs. And you can mine ores. I normally mine a lot of blue ores instead of red ores. Because blue ores give you 600. Over here, sometimes they spawn a lot of ores. buy a ray gun. I'm gonna sell it off. Because my bag is so heavy, I'll just... And then we're back. Now, if you get a lot of bags of blue ore, you will get a lot of money, like a lot. Is there any escaping? No. Let me grab my pickaxe. Now let's see how much money we got. And that's how you get easy money, like a lot. I got 9k, kind of. That's how you get super easy money. You just go to Haunted Mansion. Like the heartbeat. Now is the end of the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.